Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. What you're looking at here is a capture page that I created using the system that I use to promote my business opportunity online. Now, I love making these videos and teaching people how that they can become successful in marketing with this very system. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can create a capture page video, a video that you can place inside of the capture page that you create. All right, this is one that I love. I made it, and you can see where I placed a video on the inside of this capture page just to demonstrate how easy it is to create a video capture page. Okay, to do this, you're going to need a Power Lead system. And with the Power Lead system, it's simple. At the bottom of this video, you can click on the link and you can just start up with $7 with Lead Lightning. That's the beginning part of the Power Lead system. But for you to create a capture page video, you want to upgrade to at least the gold member, the gold membership. So let's dive right in. What we're going to do, we're going to go to websites, and I'm going to go to I'm going to just click on here, and I'm going to go to, I've already got my subdomain here, and I'm going to copy a web page or a capture page that's already been laid out for you or for me. Okay, we're going to go down the line here, and we're going to choose, this is a lead capture page video. Let's just click right here, see what it looks like. And this can be a capture page that I can use to promote even the marketing system that I use each and every day, which is the Power Lead system. It's taking too long. I don't want to take too long. Let's just go ahead and select, copy this page, email only, or name and email, or name, email. That's what you're asking a person to put in. So I normally just put email only, because a lot of people don't want to put more than their email address. A lot of people don't want to put too much information in those spaces where they requested more information. Let's click here to make a copy, and it should copy that page that I've already selected. Okay, learning how to create a video capture page. And right here is for my purpose. I know what it is. Okay, and right here is what the subscriber will see once they click on my link. They will see this in the browser. Learn how to create a video capture page. And right here, we're going to select a domain that we already have. We're going to go up here, and it should be up here. Capture page videos. Okay, we're going to click here. and then we're going to save changes. We're going to give it a background. Give it a background. I'm going to save a background. Let's just click this one for the sake of moving on to kill time. Okay. Now if I want to, I can go in and select creating video capture pages. And I can put a font on it, size. Okay. And I'm going to take this out right here and just put something else there. It is easy once you learn how. And we're going to put a font on that, a size on that. Okay, and then we're going to bold it. And I think I want to put another color on it, so I'm going to go and put this color red on there. Orange, whatever that is. Okay, now we're going to save it. And let's view the page that we just created. See? Creating video capture pages. It is easy once you learn how. See, the video is already in there. So what we want to do is put our own video on the inside. Let's cut that off right quick. Let's go back over here. So we're going to edit text. Okay. We're going to scroll down and see this iframe right here. We're going to double click it. Okay. Now we're going to go over to a video that I've already created. Let's pick this one right here. But let's go up here to the top. See this code after the equal sign? We're going to copy it. Select it and copy it. And now we're going to go back over to the code, and we're going to put our code right here behind the slash, behind the embedded slash. Put your code right there. You just copy it before the question mark, and let's Control V. Put the code in there and let's click OK and save changes. And let's go over here and view the page to see if it took. Voila, there it is. Easy as pie. And what you want to do, if you want to change all this, you can change all this if you want to. And you can select this. Once they put their email address, you can put whatever link you want to right here. Let me show you that before I go. We're going to edit text. Go down to the bottom. Okay, select that. And then go to the link here. And now we can send them to wherever we want them to go. Let's see. Where do I want them to go? But anyway, You get the idea. You can put a web page in there wherever you want them to go. You can put it there, and once they click on, let's just do it anyway. I'm just going to send them over to easycashcode.marketwithmarlon.com. Click OK, and then we'll save changes. And now let's go over to the page and look at it again. Let's refresh it. It's taking too long to process today for some reason. Okay, there it is. And let's click on this link right here. You have to enter an email address. You have to show that you're a real person. Click submit. It's just taking too long today to process. But anyway, this is the way you do it. I'm Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Click on the link below. Start making and creating your own capture page videos. It's easy as pie. You can do it too. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a good day or night. Bye-bye.